I'm going to make a video to compete with domestic high-end substitutes. This narrow one is the factory price higher than our peers. This wide one is produced by ourselves. USM Modular Cabinet Substitute. This is randomly taken from the workshop. It's a product that has just been assembled and ready to ship. Next, I will compare them from three aspects. Visually, the largest area that appears in front of us, USM frame main material board, main material pipes, and core accessories such as ball head foot pads. Let's start with the board comparison. First, let's look at the material of the board. Are all steel plates. Then compare the spraying effect. What is visible to the naked eye is the other's company has orange peel texture, while ours doesn't, and the touch is different. Ours has a more delicate skin feel. After all, we are looking for the supplier of Medea, which is dust-free spraying. The cost is higher, but the effect is excellent. Let's take a look at the bending process of this board. We can see that the gap between the plate and the tube, the gap between the plate and the pipe is very large. Even from this side, you can see the holes clearly. Let's take a look at ours. The gap between the plate and the pipe is very small, and it fits very closely. Let's compare the pipe rack, nor the magnet. But this pipe is not electroplated, and polishing marks are still very obvious. Its brightness definitely can't reach 6K. We use stainless steel specially designed for the bathroom industry. After processing, it will not rust, but also achieve a brightness of more than 8K. There is a color difference between unplated pipes. There is a color difference, but our pipes and balls are electroplated simultaneously, so there is no color difference. The color is integrated. Finally, let's compare the accessories. Let's talk about the connecting ball head. We use our copper balls, and the threads can be electroplated in place, which completely solves the problem of the whole product being washable. Our board is galvanized first, it won't rust, and then sprayed with outdoor special powder. We use stainless steel pipes, it will not rust after electroplating. The ball is made of copper and then electroplated, so it is even less likely to rust. The materials are better than the original. We use still feature British standard threads. The male thread is denser than the metric thread, and the tooth depth is deeper. This ensures that the connection between the screw and the ball head is firmer, ensuring a better connection strength. And our copper balls can achieve concentricity of less than 2. What does it mean? The actual deviation of the ball from the center shall not exceed 0.02 millimeter. What more? Our copper ball is made with through holes. A screw passes through from one end to the other. Don't underestimate this detail when two custom balls are directly connected. When connecting without a pipe in the middle, it will come in handy. Finally, let's take a look at the ball head of our peers. At the end of the video, I want to compare the most inconspicuous small accessory, the rubber foot pad. More importantly, the rubber feet we use are made of steel-like material, with a single load capacity of 200 kilograms. Each of our pulleys can bear a load of 80 kilograms. However, other standard pulleys on the market can only bear a load of 40 kilograms. The nylon material of our peers is soft, easily broken upon impact. If you screw it too hard, the screws can also slip out.